Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your Ford Ranger air filter. First, ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch for safety. Gather your new air filter and a screwdriver if needed to unfasten any clips or screws on the airbox housing. This simple process takes less than 10 minutes and can save you money on professional service. Now, let's locate the air filter housing. It's typically a prominent black plastic box situated near the front of your engine bay, often on the passenger side. Once you've found it, look for metal clips or screws around its perimeter. Gently unfasten these clips or use a screwdriver to remove the screws. With the fasteners released, carefully lift the top portion of the airbox to reveal the old air filter nestled within. With the airbox open, gently lift and remove the old, dirty air filter. Take a moment to observe its condition. You'll likely see accumulated dust and debris. Before installing the new filter, quickly compare it to the old one to confirm they are identical in size and shape. Now, carefully place the fresh air filter into the housing, ensuring it sits perfectly flush and creates a tight seal all around its edges. Finally, carefully lower the top of the airbox back into position, ensuring it aligns correctly. Refasten all the clips or screws you removed earlier, making sure they are tight and secure. A new air filter significantly improves your engine's breathing, leading to better fuel economy and enhanced performance. Remember to check and replace your air filter approximately every 12,000 to 15,000 miles for optimal vehicle health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.